Once in a quiet seaside village, there lived a fisherman named Kai. Every day he cast his net into the vast ocean, hoping for a bountiful catch to provide for his family. One stormy night, a fierce tempest arose, tossing Kai's boat like a leaf in the wind. The next morning, as he surveyed the wreckage, his heart sank, his boat, his livelihood, gone. Amidst the wreckage, Kai found a mysterious bottle. Inside, a message of hope unfolded. In every storm, a treasure is hidden. Look beyond the wreckage and you shall find your fortune. Determined to rebuild, Kai salvaged what he could and, with a heavy heart, started mending his boat. The villagers shook their heads, doubtful of his chances. Yet Kai pressed on, fueled by the words from the bottle. As the days turned to weeks, Kai's boat took shape, stronger and more resilient than before. The villagers watched in astonishment as he set sail once more. This time his net brought forth not only fish but also rare treasures stirred up by the storm. In the glow of his success, Kai opened another message in the bottle. It read, "Adversity is the sculptor of fortune. Embrace the storms, and you'll discover the treasures within." Word of Kai's triumph spread, inspiring others facing their storms. The once doubtful villagers now celebrated him as a hero. Kai, with a heart full of gratitude, shared his treasures and the wisdom learned from the sea. The story of Kai reminds us that storms in life are not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. In the wreckage, hidden treasures await those who dare to rebuild and sail on. Let Kai's tale be a beacon of hope. Embrace the storms, for within them lies the strength to uncover your fortune.